How do you know when you're done?
Well, Mark, invariably, I am skating in at the last knockings of my deadline. So when I write the end, I literally think I'm going to scan through this and I'm sending this fucker off. But because I do triple write, as it were, like I plan in a notebook, then I rough write into Scrivener, then I copy it over into Word, tidy it in Word. So I do it in like 8,000
Right.
word chunks. So I've kind of it's not untidy and it's not,
Yeah.
it's probably most people's second draft
Yeah.
when I
Yeah.
hand it
Yeah.
in. And I kind of think, I mean, obviously this would be different if it was on spec, but I'm like, they've paid for it. Let's see if it's holding, because if it's
Mm.
not holding, doesn't matter how pretty I make it. There's a massive structural problem. Let's get to that.
Yeah.
So I kind of figure that's the way.
This is the way.